In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wayfair affiliate to your site, CJ setup and links. By the end, you'll have a clear path from gathering product details to publishing polished listings, and you'll know how to keep everything updated and performing well. We'll start by preparing your Wayfair product information. Identify the items you want to feature and collect the essentials. The product name, SKU or model number, key features, dimensions, materials, color options, current price, and shipping or return notes. Save high-quality images and verify stock status so you don't promote items that are unavailable. If you're using an affiliate network, generate your deep links for each product and keep them organized in a spreadsheet alongside your notes. Clear, accurate info now makes building pages and links much faster later. Next, set up your eBay seller account if you plan to cross-list. Many affiliates test demand by offering select items on eBay to capture buyers who prefer marketplaces. Complete your profile, verify your payment and shipping settings, and make sure your return policy matches what you're comfortable supporting. Even if you're primarily using affiliate links, having this channel ready can diversify revenue. Then decide how you will list. On your site, choose whether each product gets a dedicated page, belongs in a curated collection, or is grouped in a comparison guide. If you're using eBay as well, decide between auction or buy it now, and whether you'll list single quantity or variations. Keep the experience consistent. Your page titles, images, and descriptions should align with what shoppers will see after they click. Now optimize your eBay listing for visibility and trust. Write a concise, keyword-aware title that highlights brand, model, size, or material, and standout features. Use clear, well-lit photos from multiple angles. In the description, lead with benefits, then include specifics like dimensions and care instructions. Complete item specifics thoroughly. These fields help search and filters. Set competitive pricing, choose reliable shipping options with realistic handling times, and state your return policy plainly. When orders come in, manage them promptly. Confirm details, ship on time, upload tracking, and respond to messages courteously. If something goes out of stock, update or pause the listing immediately and communicate with buyers to avoid cancellations. Finally, monitor your listings. Check clicks, conversion, and earnings for affiliate pages and review impressions, views, and sell-through for eBay. Refresh prices when Wayfair changes them, replace discontinued items, rotate new products, and improve underperforming pages with better images or clearer copy. Steady maintenance keeps your links accurate and your listings converting.